today's video, we're going to the Pavilion Wellness Cafe for our breakfast. Stay with us and we'll show you what we had. So this is the Pavilion Pool, and obviously this is the last day on our way back to Southampton, so the weather is a little bit inclement today.
Play a risque, we're bouncing a bit.
Yeah, so they've got the roof closed today and it just makes it a totally different area again. You can still sit out, have a swim, have a hot tub. Go on, Mike, we're going to go to the Wellness Cafe for our breakfast and have a little taste of that. These seats are really good, facing the correct way for watching the films or whatever is on the big screen. There's just so many little areas with different seating. I think it's really good the way they've done it. It's not just all the same seating everywhere. Even down by the pool, you've got sunbeds, you've got a seating area, underneath you've got couches, and it's just a really lovely place to be. So what are you thinking for breakfast, Mike?
I'm going to have a scrambled egg on sourdough.
Yeah.
And I might try this porridge.
Okay. I'll just take a little screenshot of this. So basically, like in the daytime for lunch, pick what you want. Lady takes your order. You get a little buzzer. You go sit down, relax while you wait for your food. Thank you.
Thank you.
Pool's rocking and rolling in the Bay of Biscay today. So I've got to say the service was really quick. That was less than 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So
The Gail's got the granola. I've got the porridge. And then I've got scrambled egg on sourdough.
that looks gorgeous.
And Gail's gone for poached eggs on sourdough.
All looks delicious.
And Gail got a portion of jam.
Just a little bit of jam.
On the porridge, to sweeten the porridge a bit.
Yeah. And it's in a lovely, quiet, relaxed area up here. So it's a really nice place to have your breakfast and something a little bit different than the norm. Yeah, it was perfect.
Right, so empty plate means one thing.
Delicious scrambled egg.
Yeah. And you put like caramelised onion on it as well. It's made all the difference. That was 10 out of 10 that. And I'm going for the porridge. So,
Looks very pretty.
let's see. Yeah. Alright.
A bit different than the one in the buffet, in Artisan.
Yeah. Use the figs.
Oh yeah.
Well, they sweeten the whole thing up. It's got seeds and stuff. Give it a go.
Very good. Well, my poached egg was lovely. And then I'll give this a go in a minute. So, conclusion of our Pavilion Wellness Cafe breakfast is really enjoyed it. Definitely different than the Artisan food hall and main dining room. A couple of our party have said, oh, you know, wellness, it'll be diet food. It really isn't. It's absolutely delicious. Prepared right in front of you. And it's lovely.
Yeah?
Really nice.
There you go.
Yeah, definitely worth a visit or two in the same Queen Anne. Let's have a little look at the side.
So yeah, big thumbs up from us. Wish we'd have come here earlier in the week, because we'd have definitely come more often. And it's nice and quiet as well, so awesome.
You can also have fruits here in the morning, and then at lunchtime they have little cakes and nice tasty treats. There's a bar up here that's open in the evening as well. We've just come over here because someone's posted there's dolphins about, but not sure whether we'll see any through the rain. No. So yeah, this is the pavilion when weather is inclement. Just take you downstairs. And this is the bar area downstairs. We haven't got the ice cream out at the moment. We've got a couple of hot tubs there. Oh, thanks again for watching to the end of our video. We really do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed already, Mike and I'd be really grateful. Just stay to the end and click the subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything and it really does help the algorithm within YouTube. Thanks.